Happy Friday! Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, I am coming at you guys with an HEB haul. I'm super excited to share this one with y'all because I was able to coupon some meat. And it's not every day that we get to coupon meat, so anytime I get the chance, I will definitely share with you guys because meat is getting super expensive, and when I get a great deal on that, I am stoked. So stay tuned for that in this video. Also getting a few Ibotta deals as well as swag bucks, and yeah, just overall excited to share this haul with y'all. It shakes out to about 93% in savings, which I'm okay with because like I said, we're getting meat. It didn't have to be free. When I'm getting meat, any chance I get it cheap, I'm all for it. And I'm gonna get right into the video, but before I do, want to make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and that you have that notification bell on, so that way you guys don't miss any of my hauls. And yeah, I'm so excited. Let me get into it. For our first deal, we're gonna grab 1 can of this Vagisil Sensitive Scent Dry Wash Spray. It's $2.97. On the HEB app, there is a $2 off 1 digital coupon that we're gonna use. So we're gonna pay 97 cents out of pocket. And then I'm gonna upload my receipt to Ibotta, where I'm gonna get back 75 cents, making 1 can just 22 cents. And y'all make sure to grab this one and not this one. This one does not attach to the Ibotta rebate. Next, we're gonna grab 1 pack of these Big Solil Simply Smooth razors. They're $3.27. There is a $3 off 1 digital coupon in the HEB app. So that is going to make this just 27 cents at checkout. I shared this deal last month, but it came back around again with the new P&G coupons that came out. These Vicks drops are $1.08. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon in the HEB app that you can clip. Once you clip that and check out, you'll pay only 8 cents for these. I'm in the air freshener aisle and I have 2 easy freebies that you guys can grab. The first is this Airwick Oils Warmer. It is $1.47. There is a free digital coupon in the HEB app. Clip that and this will be free at checkout. Another freebie that they have that this store is actually all out of is the Febreze Plug-in Single Oil Warmer. It is $2.94. Again, clip the digital coupon in the app for that freebie, and then at checkout it will be free. All right, y'all, for this next deal, I'm grabbing 6 bags of these Field Rope Airheads. I'm just grabbing 6 of these because I really want to try them, but you can grab the Airheads Soft Filled Bites, the regular bites, the extreme bites, and I believe the other extreme sourfuls. Really, any of the ones that are $1.99. So they are regular $1.99, but there is a digital coupon where if you buy 3, you can get them all for $4. So I'm gonna buy 6, so a total of $8. I also have a $1 off 1 candy basket digital coupon and a $2 off 5 candy basket digital coupon, so an additional $3. So that'll put my total at $5 out of pocket, and I will get back $1 for each one on Ibotta for a total of $5, making all 6 bags free. Let's grab some meat for super cheap. I have a 4 off 4 digital in the app for basically anything in this section. I got lucky and found this pack for $4.11. So after that $4 digital, I'm gonna pay 11 cents for this. So this is a great price for me, and I love when HEB gives me these coupons. I'm still in the meat section, and I'm going to grab 1 link of this Texas Heritage sausage. They have original and beef. And if you can see here, it's normally $4.49, and there is a $1 off digital on the app, making it $3.49. I also have another $3 off coupon in the app, so that should make it 49 cents. We'll see if the digitals cooperate. If they do, it will be 49 cents. If not, $1.49. But I think that's still a great price for this length of sausage that I can cook up this weekend. All right, so if we're cooking sausage this weekend, we gotta have some corn to go with it, right? So how about some crazy corn? This corn is actually wrapped in bacon. It's $5.99, and I have a $4 off digital coupon on the app. So that's gonna make this pack of crazy corn just $1.99. Now I'm gonna pick up 2 packs of this Disney Frozen 2 string cheese. It is $3.29 here at HEB. I'm gonna pay $6.58 out of pocket. I'm gonna get back $5 on swag bucks when I buy 2. And I'm also gonna get back 50 cents for each one on Ibotta. So that's going to be $3 back for each one, making each pack just 29 cents. Okay, y'all, got everything I need here. About to head to checkout. I'm not using any paper coupons, so praying for a smooth transaction. Only thing I'm a little concerned about is the $1 and $3 coupon for the sausage. But other than that, everything else should go fine. So head into checkout. All right, right, y'all, I want to recap how my transaction went in store and how I went uploading my receipt to Rebate and Swagbucks. So when I did my transaction in store, I had 2 downfalls. The first one was that the Airwick digital coupon did not come off at checkout. It was the only one that did not come off, so the cashier had to manually enter $1.47 for me. Second, the $1 coupon for the sausage did not come off, which I let that one go because let me tell you about the positive in my transaction. So I don't know what's been up with me this week. Like, I don't know if I'm just not paying attention to detail this week or not able to do math, whatever it is. But a good thing happened in my transaction is I got an additional $2 off on the Airheads because the $2 off 5 basket coupon is unlimited. And it took it off of the retail price instead of the $1.25. So I got an additional $2 off for that. So I had $5 in basket coupons, which gave me a $2 moneymaker deal. So I couldn't be too mad about the sausage when I got that $2 that I wasn't expecting. So I was super thrilled about that because that helped cover a little bit of the cost of the meat. So I was happy with that. And so that's how my transaction went in store. I paid a little under $15 out of pocket. And then I will tell y'all for the string cheese, the frozen string cheese, it went through right away on Swagbucks. So if you want to do that deal, that's a great one. I know there is an offer on checkout 51, but technically you cannot combine Swagbucks offers and checkout 51 as they are affiliated and you could run the risk of losing your account. So if you decide to do that, just be careful, or if you use a different email, that may work for you. But once it was all said and done, everything was about $2.70. So a overall savings of 93%, which I'm stoked about. I have me some lunch or dinner this weekend with that corn and the sausage or that taco meat. So it was an overall great haul, and I got a couple of more offers to go towards my Rebate bonus. So make sure you guys check your account for those meat coupons. A couple of mine did have them, but a couple did not, and I've asked a couple other people and they did not have them as well. So just make sure to check your account and see if you have them, and definitely stock up on that meat if you have them. All right, y'all, that is all I have for today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have the best weekend, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.